The Daily Code Snippet. We already discussed font weight in the setting of @font face, and it is also a property used to adjust the weight of your chosen font family. It works the same as previously described. Font weight accepts the values of normal, bold, and a number between 1 and 1000. The higher the number, the bolder the weight. In general, 100 is thin, 300 is light, 400 is normal, 500 is medium, 600 is semi or demi-bold, 700 is bold, 800 is extra bold, and 900 is black. Font weights below 200 will have accessibility issues, especially with a low color contrast ratio. The most common values used are normal, bold, and the numerical weights of 400 and 700. Here are examples from our code sample files. Body, font family, Noto Sans, sans serif, H1, H2, H3, H4, font weight 700. P, I, font weight 400, font size 16 pixels, line height 1.5 em. Here is how this looks in our style sheet from our code sample file. And here is how it would display. We also learned about font style in the setting of @font face, but it is also a property used to adjust the chosen font family. Font style indicates if a font is styled as normal, italic, or oblique face. Italic fonts are cursive and use less horizontal space. Oblique fonts are just sloped versions of the regular font. Font style accepts the values of normal, italic, oblique, or oblique with an angle specified, such as oblique 23 degrees. The value of the angle can be between -90 degrees and 90 degrees. If no angle is specified, the default is 14 degrees. For accessibility reasons, avoid italicizing large sections of text because these will be difficult to read for those with dyslexia. Here are examples of using font style from our code sample file. Lead-in. Font style, italic. Block quote, font size 20 pixels. Font style, italic. Line height, 1.5. Here are some adjustments using the block quote element and a span element with the lead-in class. We are using placeholder lorem ipsum text. We have also shortened the text for display purposes here. To produce the left hand and right hand double quotes, you will note the use of special characters ampersand LDQUO semicolon and ampersand RDQUO semicolon. We will address the use of special characters in another episode. And this is how this would display. Presented by Designers Learn Code.